Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Envato Elements subscription. If you've decided that you no longer need access to Envato's library of digital assets, this guide will walk you through the cancellation process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to elements.envato.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're signing in with the account that has the active subscription you want to cancel. After you've logged in, look towards the upper right corner of the screen where you'll see your profile icon. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select My Account. This will take you to your account settings page where you can manage all aspects of your Envato Elements subscription. Now, I'm currently using a free account, so I don't have an active subscription to show you. However, if you have a paid subscription, the next steps will appear on your screen. Let me walk you through what you'll see and what you need to do. Once you're on your account page, scroll down until you find the subscription summary section. This area displays all the details about your current plan, including your billing cycle and renewal date. It's important to review this information before proceeding with the cancellation. Within the subscription summary section, you'll notice a link that says Cancel Subscription located under your subscription details. Click on this link to begin the cancellation process. This is the main action that starts everything, so make sure you're certain about your decision before clicking. After clicking the link, Envato will present you with some cancellation information. Take a moment to read through this carefully, as it will explain what happens after you cancel, including when your access to Envato Elements will end and whether you'll still have access until the end of your current billing period. Next, you may be prompted to fill out a feedback survey. Envato uses this information to understand why users are canceling and to improve their service. While this step is typically optional, providing honest feedback can be helpful for both you and future users of the platform. Finally, to complete the cancellation, click the button that says Cancel My Subscription. This confirms your decision and processes the cancellation. Once you click this, your subscription will be set to cancel, and you should receive a confirmation email shortly after. And there you have it. You've successfully canceled your Envato Elements subscription. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.